Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I get big, voluptuous, beautiful curls. So we're going to start off with sectioning our hair in half, and then with one of the halves you want to section that in half again, as you can see on the screen. So what you want to do is you want to make sure your hair is smooth and brushed out pretty well before you start. And I took off my cardigan because it was about to get hot with the straightener on my hair. So what you want to do, of course, heat protector if it's going to be hot. So what you want to do is you want to take a small section of hair, or if you want to call it a 1-inch section of hair, whatever you want to call it, and then you just want to wrap it around the straightener and push downwards and away from your face. Works best for me, whatever you want to do, but just works best for me going away from my face. And we're just going to continue that the whole way down, and I'm going to do a few in normal speed so you can see how it goes. But of course, as I'm at the start of the video now, just like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I do daily hair videos on here for the whole of June, and I might continue it on to July since it's going so well. But yeah, because I have so many ideas to come along. If there's something you want me to do, you want to send me a photo, something you want to try, please do it on my Instagram and I will get onto it. So my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok is all at colleens.creations. You can find me in all social medias that way. So you just want to continue and push it back. Just throw it back and you'll worry about it afterwards. So once each section is done, I'm going to roll it up, or you're going to see what I do now in a moment. So once it's all curled, then I like to smoothen out with my hands or a brush and just do a pin curl. And I don't do every curl as a pin curl. With these kind of curls, because I want it big and bouncy and voluptuous, if you do each curl pinned up, it's going to be too curly. You won't get that voluptuous, sexy bounce. You'll get more of a tighter bounce, which is cute as well, and I'll do a video on that. But I just like to do it like this just to get it, it's quicker to do, and it gives off a lot smoother effect as well. So I took down another section of hair and did the same again, all curling away from my face. And then again, I used the brush for this one just because I thought it needed an extra little brush through. And you're just going to pin it up with some pins. So you can use just ordinary hairpins, or if you have bigger clips like me, you can use them as well. It makes no odds. And then we're at the top of the hair, and I just split this in a few different sections and curled all the way down along. And you can see how the curls, they kind of curl mainly to the end, which is what I wanted to kind of go for anyway. And as I get to the front of the hair, I tend to do slightly smaller sections just because the hair is shorter and I want it to curl and frame around my face a little bit more. And then the last one, I did the exact same thing as all the rest. So you can see each side of the hair, you're only going to have 3 or maybe 4 maximum of pin curls up. And I didn't go through the whole process with the other side just because I thought it was a little bit repetitive to watch. And then I did some hairspray and I left it in for about 10-15 minutes, and then I took it out, and this is the effect we got, and it just turned out so beautiful. I was so happy with how it turned out. That clip is annoying to get out of hair sometimes, but it just turned out so beautiful. And I run my hands through it, and then I also brush it over as well, just to get the kind of effect that I want. So once they're all out, then you can start messing around with them and seeing what you want to do. But you can see the ones around my face are that little bit tighter because they have to be to give the little bit more frame. So I use my hands just to brush it through, and you can manipulate and recurl into the kind of shape that you want it to be. And I got a little comb just to brush it through, and you can see it's just so big, bouncy, voluptuous, just everything you want. Sorry, the focus went a little out and I didn't really notice until I'm editing and doing the voiceover now. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. A little clip makes it pretty as well. But thank you again, guys. Mwah.